Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose Gravity Feed Dual Action Airbrush Kit with 6-foot hose. If you're a beginner but still want the top of what the market has to offer, you should definitely consider this one. This one is professional grade but a suitable decorating tool for beginners and students who are just starting off in baking. Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose Gravity Feed Dual Action Airbrush Kit with 6-foot hose comes with a 0.33mm tip Master Airbrush and a Model G22 multi-purpose airbrush along with a 1/3 ounce gravity fluid cup. The versatile and user-friendly gravity feed brush is the reason why so many students of cookie decorating and beginner hobbyists opt for this kit in particular. The compressor included in the TC20 air compressor, it features an air filter, the pressure regulator, so you're certain that everything is working correctly. Its 6-foot hose provides maneuverability you'd need when making big cakes. The hose alone makes the process so much more effortless and enjoyable. You also get an instructional booklet to help you learn and master all the airbrushing skills.